Thursday, July 9th, and it's 9:20 a.m. Let's get started. First checking Forex Factory for today. Meeting minutes, but not till 2 p.m., so we're good because we finish trading by like 11:30. Let's start off on the daily. Looks like we're in a bullish trend. So yesterday's high was already taken out, nothing to mark, but we can mark yesterday's low, which seems to be the same as the London low. I'm just going to keep the London low and extend it. Okay. Going to the 1 hour. Delete these old entries from yesterday. This Asia high was taken out, so was this London high. This was taken out. Okay, so this Asia high can be extended. London low, we have a New York low right there that can be marked out. Asia low. And a current London low and London high. Okay, dropping down now to the 5 minute to put our entries. So it looks like I want to go back some and see if there are any fair value gaps that should be in this area because it's looking kind of empty right now. We have some lines that can be moved over. Not moved over, but like extended. Some key levels. So basically anything from this line and up. Oh, that's a lot. Jeez, that's a lot. Alright. We have little time, it's 9:24, so let's start working. Going back to see if there's any fair value gaps that were formed that we can set possible entries from. See one right there. This is a bearish, so I would change it to red. So one right there. One right here. This may have been inverse, but let's just draw it for now, and we'll, if it's been inverse, we'll delete it. Another one right there. Nothing here. What date is this? July 1st. Not very old. Only like a week old. I see one right there. Are there any more? Oh, it's a big one right there. As you can see, it was never inverse, like candles wick inside of it, but nothing ever closed outside of it, so it has not been inverse. And all these, you want to make sure we're marking the right colors, so these are all bullish, and then we will be looking to take longs off of them. Now let's look up here, see if we have any. Doesn't look like it. I don't know if the price is even going to get up this high, but since I'm over here in a minute, let me just mark a few more that I see. Let me start to mark out some potential entries and shorts before the market gets to where we can enter. Okay, so for shorts, one right there. One right there. down there. Okay, those are for shorts, and let's look for longs. Current balance is $50,050. We're in it for 8 contracts. So let's see if we get an entry. Alright, so I set this as a limit order, so because it inverts this fair value gap. So if the price comes back down here near my entry, it'll enter me in automatically for a long. Alright, so it does not look like price is coming back down here within the 50 some odd seconds we have left. So let me wait till it gets down to like 30 or 20 before I close out of this, and then we're going to look to enter for this entry if it closes above and inverses this fair value gap. Okay, so closing out of that, and if it inverses this fair value gap, we'll go for that long. Okay, so we weren't. Oh, okay, so unfortunately we got stopped out there, bringing our account balance now to $49,766. So in that trade we lost $284. So we're going to try to see if we can get one more entry for today. Okay, so it's 11:30 now. I was not able to get another entry today, so I'm done trading. So my ending balance for today is $49,766. And that's because of the one trade I was able to enter today where I lost. Alright, see you tomorrow. Don't forget to like and subscribe.